So look how nervous your dog is right now. Okay? And that's okay that he's nervous. Okay, hi, Jack. Now what I'm going to show you is that all dogs behave the same way. Now, do you believe, first of all, that dogs like it when their master is in control? Mm-hmm. Okay. So why do you think your dog is happier when your master is in control?
The followers?
Yeah. The most important reason why a dog likes it when the master is in control is that they feel protected. Mm-hmm. I'm going to prove that to you. What I'd like to do is to the audience out there in the internet world is to prove to every dog owner that a dog who's in control is more nervous because they're worried about their owner than a dog who has a master. So, watch this. I'm going to show you. With her head down, sorry, Jack, with his head down, feel how relaxed his feet are. You can put your hand in there and just feel how relaxed his feet are. Okay? Now, this is the position of submission. Can you tell? Put your head down. Thank you. Have I ever done this to your dog before?
No.
Not even 2 minutes ago?
No.
No. He's doing it immediately. Okay? Because I am an alpha to dogs. Okay?
Right.
I don't have to force him. I don't have to get mad at him. I don't have to punish him. This is not punishment. So dogs, when I hold them upside down, are submissive. But watch what happens, out of curiosity, when I put his head up. Look at him push. Okay, isn't that amazing? Mm-hmm. Now watch him put his head down. Okay? Now, I'll leave him let his feet go. Back feet. Watch. Same dog. First time he's been at my clinic, right? Mm-hmm. Head up. Oh, watch what happens. Okay, I'm holding his head up. But you think he'd be more down. Look at us holding on, right?
Yeah.
See how stiff he is?
Yeah.
Now, head down. Okay. Every dog does this. So, when dogs are put into a very gentle, submissive position, they feel, what's the word? Relaxed and secure. Yes, and actually secure is a better word. Head down, head down. Hey, buddy. Are you good? Okay. And I want to ask you something. Have I punished your dog at all?
No.
No. So being alpha and securing your dog by touch is not punishment whatsoever. It's TLC at its finest. Mm-hmm. Okay. So when I put a dog on the table, hey Jack, another way of doing a little bit of alpha work, and there's books on this, is just holding them like this, in this position. So that's another way of securing your dog.